Hello, armadillos. In this video, we are going to arrange a paper according to proper MLA guidelines. We will move through the process step by step within a blank Microsoft Word document. Please note that I'm using the 2016 version of Word. Once you have pulled up a blank Microsoft Word document, the first thing that you want to do is set the proper font style and size. At the top, you will see that in this case, the font is set to Calibri by default. You will want to change that to Times New Roman. In order to do so, please click the drop-down arrow and select Times New Roman. You are now ready to hop next door to the font size section here and click that drop-down arrow. Set the font size to 12. Now you are ready to insert page numbers. Go to the top and click Insert. Over to the right, you will see page number as it appears under header and footer. Click on page number. Click on top of page. Now you will see a list of several options. You will want to choose the plain number 3 option. Once you click that option, your header will open up. You are now ready to type your last name. Once you have typed your last name, press the space bar one time. You are now ready to leave your header, which you can do by simply clicking outside of it twice. So double click. You are now prepared to provide the double spacing for the rest of your document. In order to do so, go to the top where it says Paragraph and click on the tiny drop-down arrow in the box in the corner there. You will now want to go to Line Spacing, click the drop-down arrow and choose Double. Now click OK. You are now prepared to provide the rest of your identifying information in the top left-hand corner. You will want to start by providing your first and last name. Now enter. You will now want to provide your instructor's name. So let's just say that you are taking Professor Smith's class. You are now ready to enter once more and provide the name of the class itself. Now, after providing the course and course number, you will also want to add your section number, which typically appears after a dash. Let's just say that your section number is 07. You are now ready to enter once more. It's now time to add the date. In this case, let's say that it is the 4th of September, 2020. All right, you are now prepared to provide your title. Enter once. Now, to center your title, you'll want to go to the top and see these icons that have lines, multiple lines on them. These are for alignment, and if you hover over the icon, you'll see what kind of alignment corresponds with the icon. So we know that we need to center our title, so we'll want to select the second icon for center alignment. You are now ready to type your title. All right, your paper is now ready to go. All you have to do is click Enter once more. And now to get things aligned left once more, hop back to the top, select the icon for left alignment. Now, press the Tab key one time, and that creates the indentation that you need for your first paragraph. You are now ready to begin typing. All right. Now, in terms of your bibliography page, let's hop down and go over how to create the bibliography page setup. All right. We are now on a separate page for the bibliography. Let's go over how to properly set that up. First, we will want to center works cited. So we go to the top and click on the second icon once more to create center alignment. Now, in this case, we are going to be working with only one source for the sake of this video. So it is important to note that if you have only a single source to cite, you can simply change it to work cited instead. So that's what we will leave it as for the sake of this example. Enter once more. You are now ready to left align. So back to the top, select the icon for left alignment. And we are now ready to type our citation of a source. Let's just say that in this paper, you wanted to cite the source, New Treatments for Rheumatoid Arthritis by David Pazetsky, as it appeared on the website called On Health. Let's go about how to create a proper MLA bibliographic citation for this web source. You'll begin with the author last name, in this case, Pazetsky, comma, first name, in this case, David, period. You are now ready to provide the title of the web page itself. In this case, it was New Treatments for Rheumatoid Arthritis. You will want to be sure to add quotation marks. Now you are ready to provide the italicized title of the website. You always italicize the titles of websites. In this case, the website's title is On Health. You will want to go up to the top here and select the I for italics, then type your website name. Now, unclick the italics icon, provide a comma, space, and you are now ready to provide the date of publication. In this case, the date of publication was December 10th of 2015. The proper arrangement for that in a citation for MLA format is as follows. All right, and you'll follow that with a comma. You are now ready to provide the URL itself, the web address. For MLA, you will remove the https:// portion. Now you are ready to provide the date of access, which is the date on which you actually located the source. In this case, that was the 2nd of September, 2020. Now you are ready to apply what is called a hanging indentation, which is necessary for proper MLA format for a bibliographic citation. So you will highlight the citation as a whole. You will go to the top and you will click the down arrow beside paragraph. Now, see where it says special? You'll want to click the drop down arrow there, scroll down to hanging and select. Now click OK. Now you have successfully created a proper MLA bibliographic citation for a website as it should appear on a bibliography page. You have also set up the proper formatting for an essay at the top. Good luck!